Hi guys, welcome back. I am the heart. Hi guys, welcome back. Today, you're not going to hear from a person. You're hearing from me, your heart. Yes, the one that's been beating inside you, non-stop, since before you were even born. I'm about the size of your fist, but don't let my size fool you. I'm powerful. I beat around 100,000 times a day, pumping blood to every part of your body. Without me, nothing else works. But here's the truth. Even I get sick. Even I suffer. And when I do, you suffer too. Let me tell you about the diseases that trouble me. Listen carefully, because the more you know about me, the better you can take care of me. 1. Coronary artery disease, SAD. My highways are blocked. Imagine I'm working hard, but the roads that bring me oxygen, the coronary arteries, start getting clogged. That's what happens in coronary artery disease. Cause: fatty substances, called plaque, build up inside my arteries. Effect: my own blood supply is reduced. I start to suffer from a lack of oxygen. Your symptoms: chest pain, called angina, shortness of breath, fatigue. If ignored, it can lead to a heart attack. 2. Heart attack, myocardial infarction, emergency alert. When one of my arteries gets completely blocked, part of me dies from oxygen shortage. That's a heart attack. Cause: usually a plaque breaks and causes a sudden blood clot, stopping blood flow. Your symptoms: crushing chest pain, pain in your arm or jaw, nausea. Colds doesn't arrive in time, I could shut down completely. 3. Heart failure. I'm just too weak, sometimes I don't stop. But I slow down. I become too weak or stiff to pump blood properly. That's called heart failure. Cause: long-term high blood pressure, damaged heart muscle or past heart attacks. Your symptoms: swollen ankles, shortness of breath, tiredness, waking up breathless at night. Warning: it doesn't mean I failed. It means I need help to keep going. 4. Arrhythmia. My beat is off normally. I beat in a steady rhythm. But sometimes my electrical system gets messed up. I beat too fast, too slow, or irregularly. That's called arrhythmia. Types: tachycardia, too fast; bradycardia, too slow; atrial fibrillation; irregular fluttering. Your symptoms: palpitations, dizziness, fainting, or nothing at all. Danger: some arrhythmias can stop me entirely if not treated. 5. Valvular heart disease. My valves. Malfunction inside me are 4 valves, little gates that keep 4 valves, little gates that keep blood flowing the right way. But what if they leak or don't open properly? Problems: stenosis. Valve is too narrow. Regurgitation. Valve leaks backward. Prolapse. Valve bulges and doesn't close right. Your symptoms: shortness of breath, fatigue, irregular heartbeat, chest discomfort. Fix: sometimes I need valve repair or replacement. 6. Congenital heart disease. I was born with it. Some hearts are born with problems. This is called congenital heart disease. It could be a hole in the wall between chambers, abnormal heart valves, wrongly connected blood vessels, seen in babies, fast breathing, poor feeding, blue skin. Fix: some need surgery right away. Others can live normally with care. 7. Cardiomyopathy. My muscles are damaged. This disease affects my muscle itself. I become too thick, too weak, or too stiff. Types: dilated. My walls stretch and thin. Hypertrophic. My walls become too thick. Restricted. I become stiff and can't fill properly. Causes: genes, infections, alcohol, high blood pressure. Symptoms: fatigue, chest pain, swelling, dizziness. Danger: it can lead to heart failure or arrhythmias. 8. Pericarditis. My jacket is inflamed. I wear a thin protective sac called the pericardium. When it gets inflamed, I feel pain. Sharp and stabbing. Causes: viral infections. After a heart attack, autoimmune disease. Symptoms: chest pain, worse when lying down. Fever, weakness. Usually, it's treatable with anti-inflammatory medicine, but still painful. Before I go, let's talk. I've been loyal to you since day one. I've never asked for a break. But now, I'm asking you for one thing. Please take care of me. Here's how. Eat healthy foods. Less fried stuff, more fruits and veggies. Move your body. Even 30 minutes a day helps. Don't smoke. Don't overdrink. Your habits affect me directly. Manage your stress. I feel every bit of it. Get regular checkups, even if you feel fine. Take care of me, and I'll beat for you your whole life. Thanks for listening with all your heart. Love,